Hey, hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we will see how we can make this type of text effect without using any extra plugin. To achieve this kind of effect on Elementor, we will use GSAP for that. And don't worry, it will be very easy step-by-step guide. Just follow my video. So let's begin. So as you can see, we already open our Elementor editor panel. So let's start making the section. So in this page we will add 3 container because the animation will happen when we have a scrolling area. So right now I don't have that much content in this page. That's why I will add some extra container. But on your page I think you will have lots of content, so you don't need to add any extra container here. So I just add some extra container. I will put that 100 vh, then I just duplicate that. And so now I will add my element in the second container. So I will add, sorry, it's land on first container. So here I will add a heading. Let me do some CSS here, and after that I will add our text. Keep in mind that you have to use the heading element or the headline element because the code we will affect the headline. So as you can see, we have to select H2 here because the code is already will target the H2. So if you want to use any different headline or like H3 or H4, then you need to change the tag on the code. I will show you that where you need to change the code, and don't worry about that. I will give you all code and JS code snippet in description, or you can grab that from my website. I will put that on the description. So I will take some dummy text, lorem ipsum, and I will add here. And let me 3 is a bit over. I think it is good, normal. Yeah. Now you have to reduce your element color here. So RGB, then you can see the transparency percentage here. So I put that 1. Yeah, this is enough. And also you have to give a class name to this element. So the class name will be, this is the class name. You have to put the name on the heading text. Then you have to add a extra class name to the element when it will trigger the animation. This element will trigger the animation. So this class will be weight. Yeah. So now we already add our text here and we already give the class name. So now we have to add a CSS code. So yeah, so you can put the CSS code on the element here, and also you can copy paste the CSS code on the container. So I put the code in container, sorry for that. So I just copy the code, and yeah, so now weight is 100%. So now we just need to add our HTML code here. So I just put HTML and paste the JSAP animation code. So I just copy that and paste here. So just right now I will save that and let's see how it will look. So as you can see, the animation is working here. So yeah, so you are not seeing the start point because I select this whole container as a starting point. So just give me a time, I will add some extra element to start, like icon. So you can put anything on the container and you can make that as a start point for the animation. So I will make this icon as a starting point, or it will trigger the animation. So then you will see this more good. So I just remove this class from here and add the class here, this element, this icon. So now when this, let me explain the code here a little bit. So as you can see, this is a start point, so it will start the animation when our trigger point, a trigger element, will enter our viewpoint 10%. For example, if we count our full screen as 100%, so it will trigger when this element in this area, so it will trigger when it's on the 10% of our viewpoint. So I just make this icon as a trigger point. Now let's see how it will look. So as you can see, the animation is not start yet. So when this star or our trigger element enter in 10% of our viewport, then it will work. So yeah, you can see the animation start when our trigger element enter on the 10% area of our viewport. Yeah, and also this is a mobile responsive too. So you can see that is also, so you can do any kind of design on your imagination, like you can do whatever you want. So yeah, and if you want to change this color, like this color, so let me show you how you can do that. So I just take the color from here, and on the HTML you have to change color here. As you can see, the color is white, so you can put the color like this, publish that, and yeah, you can see when you scroll, it's looking very good. Let me add some space here, take a 1.5, sorry for that, I think 2 is enough. And also you can like reduce, or you can play around with your responsive work, like I just put 2 RAM here. Yeah, you can play around with that. Now you know how you can add this type of cool animation on your Elementor. And I hope you enjoy my video, or I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from here, just like this video and do comment. So yeah, this is the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.